Tonight's the night where we're going to witness something very extraordinary.
We're here to welcome Norwegian Viva. Norwegian Viva elevates modern cruising at every turn. From her 3-story Viva Speedway to the wraparound promenade that brings guests closer to the ocean than ever.
The future is truly bright. Tonight, we celebrate NCL and Norwegian Viva in true Miami style.
So what do you say? You want to keep the party going? I hereby christen the ship Norwegian Viva. It's so wonderful to be here this evening with you. I'm so honored. I was so honored when NCL asked me to be Norwegian Viva's godfather. You know, I'm Latino. I have lots of family, but I never knew I could add a ship to my family tree. I'm proud of that now. As you've seen by now, she's an incredible, incredible ship. And to welcome her in true Miami estilo, well, that's a thrill. Norwegian Viva is a ship that invites guests to live it up. From adrenaline experiences like a 3-level racetrack, a drop slide, to its warm weather destination during her inaugural year. From the Mediterranean to the Caribbean, she'll be living it up in style for sure. And there's certainly no community that embodies live it up spirit more than my fellow Boricuas. And speaking of Puerto Rico, Norwegian Viva is home porting in San Juan, where I was born and where I spent my early childhood. And of course, she's now being christened here in Miami, where NCL and myself call home. So I feel connected to this great vessel and its roots. I'm also honored to become a part of the NCL family, a world-class brand dedicated to giving back to the communities and to providing the world's best vacations at sea. I've always lived near the ocean, so it's truly a part of who I am. Like my music, experiences on board these magnificent NCL ships bring people together in a fun and meaningful way. Of course, Paulina Rubio is also here, Pedro Capó is also here, and Miami native Marcelo Hernandez. So what do you say? You want to keep the party going?
To the trailblazers and the tastemakers, to the first-time seekers, explorers of the extraordinary, together we welcome this ship to the Norwegian Cruise Line fleet. May her adventure ahead be grand. Godfather?
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. It sounds good when you say it. Thank you. Woo. Oh, man, this is important. So I hereby christen the ship Norwegian Viva. May God bless her and all who sail on her. Bueno, mi gente, a lo que vinimos. ¿Estamos listos? A lo que vinimos.
9, 8, 7, 6, not yet. 5, 4. You gotta wait till it's 10.